name's Kiana, and today we're gonna make how to make slime. So what you need is some Elmer's glue, some heavy spray starch. I'm using this type from Royal Green. No scorching, no sticking, no build-up. So we will be using that, and some dishwasher soap, whichever one, as long as it's not concentrated, it has to say non-concentrated. So if you find one of those, it could be done. So we will be making the slime today. To make the slime is also pretty sticky, so you will not want to pick it up so much. But if you don't want it sticky, put more glue, more starch, and more dishwashing soap. My voice is kinda dirty. So we're gonna make slime. So first we will put on the glue. Make about right, and I'm gonna put it out to there. Close it. You could use it the harder way. The harder way is by using it by the little tiny hole, but for me it's better with the big hole. Then we're gonna mine is white because I don't have any food coloring. But wait, let me go see. No. So I went to look if I had some food coloring, and I did. I had the squeeze gel color, red. Then if you want to use food coloring, you can. Then do some. This one you have to do like one drop. And because it's a very strong color, then you want to mix it up. It's gonna turn red for me, of course, because it's a very strong color. Then you would want to put some dishwashing soap here. Not so much, but a lot. Then you will want to mix. If you were doing another without a non-concentrated, it still would work. Then after the dishwashing soap, we will use the heavy spray starch. Like 2 sprays, not so much. And then it would start to mix up. Put some more dishwashing soap. What makes it like slime is the heavy spray starch, because put it all together and stuff like that, and it doesn't become sticky. Hopefully it doesn't become sticky. So let me go check if I have some a different kind of starch. And also, if you wanted to smell good and stuff like that, you could use some perfume. This is mine from Victoria's Secret, and not so much because mine is very, very strong. So I'm gonna mix it up, and it's starting to form into a lump. it's still gonna be sticky and sticking onto the sides. Then if you wouldn't want to touch it, because if you would, it would get on your hand and the oils on your fingers and will ruin it. So we mix it and we come back. Okay, so we kept mixing. It's still, like I said, if it's still sticking to the bowl, put some more starch. I put one spray, because then if not, it will become all liquidy and stuff like that. So move it in different patterns. Then you see it will start to form into slime. And I didn't copy anyone. Well, technically I did, because they were only using Elmer's glue over there and just Dawn. But they were using, not Dawn, they were using a different kind of soap, and that made their slime with those 2 ingredients. But then, since mine wasn't working with Dawn, I put some starch, so I kind of did copy them, but I usually didn't, because I used 3 ingredients. So if like it sticks to your hands, put it like in the fridge for 1 or 2 hours, and then take it out and see. If it's still like sticking to your fingers, then put some more starch and then put it in the fridge for 1 hour. So we're done with our video, and so thanks for watching. Yep, mine is still sticky. By the way, if it's still sticky before you put it in the fridge, put like 2 or 3 sprays. I put 3. So, and then mix it up. If not, do not put 3 sprays, because then it will become a liquidy. So only put like 1 or 2. Not so much sprays, because it's gonna get all liquidy, stuff like that. So there you go, dude. Kind of form into the slime and stuff like that. So my aunt over there was talking. Okay, there you go. You made your slime. So thanks for watching. I love you.